So I'm gonna use my bottle because I still got some in here. Before I even open that bottle, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gloves. Because I like to go in with a paintbrush, and I'll start here in the heart. And what I do is I take my paintbrush. You don't even need a lot. Like, that's probably more than enough right here that I have there. That's probably more than enough. And I'm gonna go in with my paintbrush, and I'm literally gonna brush across this, and then I'm gonna brush up and down, and then I'm gonna go at a diagonal, and then I'll start my process over. I'm going to do this for 2 minutes, okay? And I'll catch you back on here in 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, after that 2 minutes is up that I was talking about, what you can do is you could stop and just like let it sit and let it just do its thing a little while longer, or you can keep going over it. The choice is yours, but you need to at least brush it for 2 minutes, and then I would definitely let my etching cream sit for a minimum of 3 minutes after that. So that's a total of 5 minutes, right? The etching cream needs to be on the surface for at least 5 total minutes. So I'm brushing for 2, and then I'm letting it sit for 3. Or I'm brushing it for all 5. Again, choice is yours. Ooh, that's a big one right there. So it doesn't take a lot of etching cream, y'all, to get the effect that you're looking for. So don't feel like don't feel like you need to use this whole bottle. And in all honesty, my experience has been, you can let this sit on here more than 5 minutes. You could let it sit on for 10 minutes. You could let it sit on for 20 minutes, But to be honest, I don't feel like my etch gets too much darker after 5 minutes. So, again, the choice is yours. Alright, I think I'm going to stop brushing now and just let it sit for a little bit longer. And when we come back, I'll take you to the sink. Let me just see if there's anything else. So this brush has cream on it, that stick has cream on it, so I'm being very mindful of where I sit them down. I'm going to throw those in the trash. I don't intend to use them again. When we go to the sink, I'm going to keep my gloves on, because as long as there's any of this cream on this surface, I want to keep my gloves on to make sure that I don't touch it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. I'm going to use some warm water and just kind of get it all off. I'm going to take my stencils off as I'm washing it, and I'm going to remove the tape that I put on the inside. I'm going to try to leave my border, but I'm going to move the tape from the inside just to make sure that, nothing is under it. Okay? Alright, I'll see you when we get back.